Myself, Yash Dedania, and my project partner Bhumil Deyani has made this project on emotion detection for facial recognition. As we all know, facial recognition is very useful tool and has been explored extensively in recent years. The application of facial recognition vary from use in security cameras for emotion detection. Starting to the project, here in this project we have used two databases. The first database consists of positive images, the images portraying in a specific emotion, and the second database consists of negative images, which consist images without a face. We have presented this technique into performing training models from the two databases. The classifier is then implemented into the software via a function. Now, how the motion is detected? What is the flow of the emotion detection? As you can see the flow chart, first of all, the program first starts the webcam from the program written in VS Code. The program then accesses the first cascade classifier that is called within it. This initial classifier is provided by OpenCV library in Python. When it calls, it begins this scanning of the image and it finds a blue rectangle is created around the image, and now the second classifier is called. In this case, we have used the nested classifier to detect the 7 emotions. The classifier is performing the exactly same way as the face detect classifier, except for the fact that is scanning for facial points and features that it associated with the 7 emotion subjects in the database. When it finds the features and points, blue rectangles are created around them. This is just one way in which we can detect the emotion. Now, how the emotions are detected? Here you can see the results of our project. These classifiers can be called in a function within a source code provided by OpenCV to detect the emotion. So here, for example, in one testing using the happy.xml classifier we have created, the software first scans the face for key points that are similar to that of the classifier and then displays a rectangle around the mouth indicating that it detects a smile. Now this is the program code we have written to detect the emotion. Here we have used OpenCV library to detect the emotion, and here we have used Keras training model which was available on the internet. In this model, in this program, we can detect up to 7 images. We can detect up to 7 images, which is angry, disgust, fear, happy, sad, surprise, neutral. These 7 different images we can detect from this program. Here we run the program. Here the program is starting the camera. Now camera has been started and now the face is detecting and the rectangle box is created over the face, and now the emotion is detected. Similarly, emotions are detected. Thank you.